Now the next question of paper 1 physics is question number 41, right? A boy is pushing a ring of mass 2 kg and radius 0.5 meter with a stick as shown in the figure. The stick applies a force of 2 Newton on the ring and rolls it without slipping with an acceleration of 0.3 meter per second square. The coefficient of friction between the ground and the ring is large enough that rolling always occurs, and the coefficient of friction between the stick and the ring is P by 10. The value of P is, find out करना है हमें value of P, right? I would like to mention that in this question it is not given that the force with the stick is applied in horizontal direction which will act as a normal reaction, right? It should be the contact force, but we assume that the 2 Newton force is applied normally in horizontal direction, right? Then FBD of this question is with given data. The 2 Newton force is horizontally applied, right? Mass is given, mg is acting vertically downward, normal reaction, this direction. The mass is 2 kg given, radius is given 0.5 meter, right? Acceleration is given, acceleration of center mass is given 0.3 meter per second square, right? The direction of friction at this contact will be in this direction, and at this contact will be in this direction. This value is mu n, and the value of mu is given in the question in terms of P, that is P by 10. P by 10, the value of n is 2, this is P by 5. Write the equations of motion from Newton's law for translatory motion as well as for rotatory motion, right? For translatory motion, net force is equal to mass into acceleration of center of mass, right? What is the net force in this direction? Left, 2 minus F2 is equal to mass into ACM. ACM is known, mass is known, mass is 2 kg, ACM is 0.3, it is 0.6. Then the value of F2 from this equation is 2 minus 0.6, that is 1.4 Newton, right? Suppose this is equation number 1. Then write the equation for rotatory motion, that is the net torque acting on this body about center of mass is equal to ICM into alpha. Then what will be the equation? Net torque F2 minus F1 into R is equal to what is the center moment of inertia above center of mass. क्या होगा इसका मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया? ये रिंग है या डिस्क है? क्वेश्चन में गिवन है रिंग है, रिंग का मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया mr स्क्वायर होता है, राइट? रख देते इसको mr स्क्वायर आइशियम इनटू अल्फा, राइट? For pure rolling to take place at the contact surface of the ring and ground, this condition ACM is equal to R alpha must be satisfied. From this, alpha is ACM by R. Put this alpha in this equation, we will get mr square into ACM by R. R cancel हो गया, इस साइड से F2 माइनस F1 इंटू R, ये R भी कैंसिल हो गया, देन F2 माइनस F1 इज इक्वल टू M ACM आया, ठीक है? F2 की वैल्यू यहां पता है 1.4, F1 की वैल्यू कितनी थी वहां पे? P बाई 5 आई थी, राइट? म्यू और N को कंबाइन करते हुए P बाई 5, मास कितना दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे 2 kg, एशियम कितना है 0.3, फिर आया 0.6 है, यहाँ से P की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है हमें, राइट? तो P बाई 5 इज इक्वल टू 1.4 माइनस 0.6, दैट इज कितना हुआ 0.8, राइट? P by 5 is equal to 0.8, then the value of P from this expression is 4. But please note that in this question, at the contact of stick and the sphere, there must be a contact force. What is the contact force? It is the resultant of normal reaction, normal contact force and the friction force. Resultant निकालेंगे, that is under root n square plus F स्क्वायर, ये होना चाहिए वहां पे, बट लैंग्वेज में क्लियरिटी नहीं है इस क्वेश्चन में, इसलिए हमने ये जूम किया है कि जो 2 न्यूटन का फोर्स लगाया जा रहा है वो नॉर्मली लगाया जा रहा है, राइट? तो इसको एज्यूम करते हुए हमने ये ऑप्शन आंसर निकाला है, राइट? नाउ द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज वैल्यू ऑफ P इज 4. दिस इज द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट?